In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow a blocked app or file in Microsoft Defender. Protection history. If Windows has blocked something you know is safe, it's usually Microsoft Defender doing its job a bit too aggressively. We'll walk through how to review what was blocked, allow it safely, and prevent repeated flags while keeping your device protected. Start by opening Windows Security. The quickest way is to press the Windows key plus S, type Windows Security, and open it. Inside, select Virus and Threat Protection. Here, look for Protection History under Current Threats. This timeline shows recent actions Defender has taken, including blocks and quarantines. Find the entry for the app or file you trust. Click it to expand, or choose Actions if you see that button. If the file is legitimate and you want to use it, choose Allow on Device. This tells Defender that this item is safe and shouldn't be blocked the next time it runs. Keep in mind, if Defender already removed or quarantined the item, Allow may only apply to future detections. You might need to re-download the installer from its official source or restore the file before it will run again. If Defender continues to flag the same trusted item, you can add an exclusion. Still in Windows Security, under Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings within Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll to Exclusions and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Choose Add an Exclusion, then pick File or Folder, and browse to the exact executable or folder you trust. Defender will skip scanning that specific item going forward, which can eliminate repeated interruptions. Only exclude items you're absolutely confident are safe, because excluding malicious files can put your PC at risk. Sometimes the block you see doesn't come from the antivirus engine at all, but from SmartScreen. When Windows shows a Blocked for Your Protection warning, click More Info, then run anyway if you trust the publisher and the source. If you need to adjust SmartScreen behavior temporarily, go to Windows Security, select App and Browser Control, then open Reputation-Based Protection Settings. You can reduce or turn off certain checks here, but do this with caution and turn protections back on afterward. That's it. By reviewing protection history, allowing a known safe item, and using exclusions or SmartScreen options carefully, you can get your trusted apps running without sacrificing overall security.